Map it using the Venn diagram. The Venn diagram is a simple but powerful tool that helps learners compare two or more ideas, objects, or events. It encourages them to go beyond listing information and begin noticing both similarities and differences. This makes it ideal for developing deeper conceptual understanding. The key thinking skill here is compare, a foundational strategy for critical thinking across all subjects. To use a Venn diagram in your classroom, begin by identifying the two topics you want learners to compare. For example, two historical figures, story characters, or types of materials in science. Label each circle with one of the topics. In the outer parts of the circles, learners record features that are unique to each topic. In the overlapping area, they list what the topics have in common. Encourage learners to go beyond surface details. Ask, what's fundamentally different? What do they share at a deeper level? This approach is ideal for literacy, comparing characters, texts, or themes. Science, exploring the properties of solids versus liquids. Geography, comparing two countries or habitats. History, examining different time periods or events. The Venn diagram is more than just two circles. It's a thinking scaffold that helps learners structure comparisons in a clear visual way. When learners practice comparing ideas like this, they develop the ability to hold multiple perspectives and reason with clarity. Helping learners make well-structured comparisons encourages reflective thinking and equips them with a versatile skill for understanding complexity across the curriculum.